Are you looking for the best crawl space dehumidifier? In this video, we will look at some of the best crawl dehumidifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The best dehumidifiers help reduce excess moisture and protect your home. Excessive moisture in the home can result in unpleasant odors and damage to home fixtures, and save the homeowner money and time. The Sentinel HDI 65 dehumidifier has CETL approved. With the patent for invention protected, the unit is on the top list of energy-efficient products. This unit has a wide range of commercial applications, including crawl spaces, basements, warehouses, offices, factories, shops, apartments, storage areas, restaurants, bars, and museums where occur corrosion. It can also help to resolve damage to inventory and building maintenance due to dampness. Removal of 120 ppd at saturation condition, fit for any basement, crawl space, storage area, garage, any large room, or commercial use. This ETL-listed dehumidifier is made of a metal outer casing that withstands more rugged conditions, ensuring long-term use and easy maintenance. It can choose a gravity drain or pump drain with the working environment. Built-in condensate pump. When removing large amounts of moisture, with a 19.6 lifting distance, the condensate pump gives you the freedom to drain anywhere. The condensate pump keeps the dehumidifier running smoothly and efficiently by pushing collected water out of the area continuously. Gravity drain. By using the dehumidifier drain hose connection to empty water into your floor drain for your full satisfaction, we designed this professional dehumidifier with the modern consumer in mind. All special features make it the best for crawlspace, basement, and commercial applications. Auto defrosting system, optional remote control system, MERV 8 filter, low temperature operation, CETL listed. Number 2. A brand with 20 years of experience in manufacturing, researching, and designing. TOSOT 50 pint dehumidifier is a fan favorite for a good reason. It offers decent specification, performance, and reliability at a very competitive price. However, the price point is very close to the 70-pin counterpart that can take it more moisture at one go. So why should you still go with this mid-range variant? Should you just splash a little bit more for the bigger unit instead? Get the full answer in our TOSOT 50 pint dehumidifier review below. Giant white box, as we called it. TOSOT 50 pint is a big and bulky dehumidifier. It is the exact size, design, and weight of a 70-pint model at 14.8 x 24 by 11.4 inches, 51.8 pounds weight. The ventilation occupied a large chunk of the front space with a bottom bucket taking up the rest. The water bucket is very easy to remove for emptying and put back despite its size. With the bucket removed, you can also find a washable air filter tuck inside and can be slide out for cleaning. Moving to the back, you will find the usual plug slot drainage access for the gravity pump, and 4 casters right at the bottom to help with the movability. You know, the usual dehumidifier setup. Sticking with the controls, there are 7 buttons and a display screen on the top panel. The power button with indicator light is self-explanatory. The filter button is to reset the filter indicator light that reminds you to clean the filter after 250 hours of operation. Used after you have washed the filter. The center plus buttons control the humidity level at 5% increments per click. Set your desired humidity level between 35% minus 80%. You can also activate non-stop mode by repeatedly click on the button until the display screen shows NS. The non-stop indicator light will also illuminate the mode you're in. Fan speed will change between low, medium, and high per click. The timer button will either turn on or off the dehumidifier at an interval of 2/4 of an hour. When the dehumidifier is active, it will deactivate the machine when the time is up. When the dehumidifier is inactive, off, it will do the opposite. For a model that comes with an internal pump, there is a dedicated pump button. First, connect a drain hose to the outlet, then press and hold the button for 3 seconds to activate it. Other passive features include an alarm sound that will beep for 10 seconds when the bucket is missing for more than 3 minutes. The full indicator light will stay on when the bucket is full or not inserted correctly. Number 3. The Dry EAZ dehumidifier features a rectangular design with a blue and black finish. This dehumidifier flaunts a polyethylene housing that makes it both durable and lightweight. It comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor and a 6-year guarantee on the compressor and coils. The polyethylene chassis comes with a lifetime warranty, a sure guarantee on its durability. Despite its impressive performance, the unit is also sufficiently compact to fit snugly in squeezed spaces. However, it is too heavy to carry without help. It comes with 2 rubber handles for a firm grip when it is being lifted. This unit also features a stackable design that allows you to heap several units on top of each other, especially when storing or transporting them. The dry EAZ dehumidifier delivers a high fan speed, which enables it to extract moisture from spaces measuring up to 7,000 square ft. This dehumidifier removes up to 17 gallons, 64 liters, of moisture from your indoor environment in a day. It features a built-in humidistat that monitors and displays the room's RH levels, allowing the unit to achieve accurate dehumidification. This dehumidifier also operates under a wide temperature range between 33 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a versatile unit that can be used in different geographical regions. It's equipped with an efficient 4-stage filtration system that traps all the airborne pollutants from your indoor air and deters the growth of bacteria, affording you a cleaner environment. This unit also features an auto defrost mechanism that de-ices the coils when working under low temperatures. It also displays the remaining duration before the culmination of the defrost session. The LCD screen on this unit indicates the number of hours the machine has been operating. You may, therefore, tell how long it will take to eliminate all the unwanted moisture from your home. This dehumidifier provides a low-grain operation that optimizes it for low humidity extraction. With this feature, the unit is a suitable choice for water restoration purposes as it boasts sufficient power to extract moisture from saturated materials like drywall and clothes. It features a fault detection mechanism that displays error codes, giving you an insight into possible dehumidification hitches. Number 4. This is one of the most reliable dehumidifiers on the market. While it is also applicable for commercial use such as in office spaces, it is being widely used for basements and crawl spaces. This is mostly due to its stable and steady performance without incurring too much noise and electrical consumption. Homeowners are able to save while enjoying its dehumidifying capabilities. Especially in a home with children and the elderly, it is important to maintain the safest indoor air quality to support their fragile health. This can be done by the use of a reliable dehumidifier. It will do its job of extracting excess moisture, which is the reason for having a habitable environment for molds and other harmful entities that bring allergies, skin irritations, respiratory issues, and other immune-related diseases. Compared to other similar products in the market, the Alorair Sentinel HD90 conventional dehumidifier has always been more advantageous because of its heavy-duty features. It has a powerful dehumidification capacity and can be strategically ducted in a different room area. Protection from disease. Harmful microorganisms live in high humidity environments and damage the surfaces they reach. Not properly extracted and prevented, they can cause various health risks such as allergies, skin irritation, respiratory illnesses, and immune-related diseases. Another dangerous group that poses health risks is mosquitoes. They also thrive in moist places. They can infect people with nasty diseases like dengue fever or malaria. Fortunately, a dehumidifier helps prevent their growth and harmful effects. 2. Cost-effective. Buying a dehumidifier is one of the best investments a person can make. It's designed to function optimally and is energy-saving. Plus, it can prevent damage caused by excessive moisture in the long run. Optimal remediation support. Users can be sure they'll get maximum performance to facilitate their remediation work. It's portable, durable, and reliable in the remediation of severe water damage. 4. Protecting property from damage. The place will be inhospitable to harmful microorganisms that could attack your valuables.